guys, it's Rusaal here from Priceline Pharmacy, West Brunswick. I'm here with another video just to explain a great brand in terms of skincare and your full kind of skincare regimen. When it comes to Roche Posay, it is one of the best in the business. They are specific for gentle treatment of skin, but also treating skin without stripping off its natural oils or abrading it. So it's a really, really good sort of brand in terms of reducing inflammation, reducing sensitivity, but also clearing up your skin and giving you results in real time as well. There are a few different things that I like to go through in terms of a skincare routine. Anytime that you want to kind of reduce the amount of acne that you have on your skin, or just make sure that your skin is nice and clean and fresh, there are a few different things that I would always recommend to patients. The first thing is definitely cleansing at least twice a day. Having a skincare regimen where you are cleansing in the morning and night just before bed. Morning just to get rid of any sort of debris that is on the face after laying in bed for 8 hours or less or more, depending on what your sleep habits are. Also, cleansing before nighttime, because getting rid of any sort of debris and dirt that has been accumulated on the face for that duration of time that you've been awake or at work or in contact with all the toxins or all the irritants that there are in this environment. But when it comes to a really good cleanser, I always recommend Effaclar. So this one here, it's a great product. It works from the deepest layers of the skin and up. It stops any sort of oil production. It stops any sort of dirt buildup, but it also is very, very gentle in reducing any sort of inflammation also. The Effaclar one is amazing for that. In addition to that, I always recommend to tone and moisturize at the same time. As a toner, you can use the Roche Posay thermal spring water. It comes in a mist in an aerosol can like this. You keep it in the fridge and it really cools and calms down your skin. And it's just basically the thermal spring water that has the high levels of selenium in there that reduce inflammation naturally from La Roche Posay. So that's that one there. Now the other thing is I always like to recommend to either moisturize or have some sort of sun protection in your skincare routine, particularly because regardless of whether there is sun out or not, you will get some sun damage from UVA rays. UVA rays are more about aging, and they create age spots and sometimes skin cancers. They are all year round and also pass through windows and glass and things like that. It's always really, really important to make sure that you have some sort of sun care within your skincare routine as well. A really good product for this is the Anthelios. That is the La Roche Posay sunscreen. It's one of the most stable sunscreens on the market, and it covers UVA, UVB, and also has the highest SPF. Now, having all of these active ingredients together can cause a little bit of shattering in certain sunscreens, but not with La Roche Posay, because it's in what they call a Mexiplex format. So it meshes really well and doesn't shatter when sunlight hits it because it's in a very stable mix. This is the La Roche Posay Anthelios sunscreen. It's a really, really good product in terms of protecting yourself from sunlight during summertime and also sunlight that you may not see during winter. That's that one there. Now, if you ever do get a breakout, which it will be highly unlikely if you are using some of these products, the Effaclar Duo is a corrective cream. This cream here, it helps reduce any sort of inflammation caused by the acne. It stops any sebum production in the lower layers of your pores and clears out your pores really well. Now, this product here is only for the spots that are on the face that may come out in terms of a breakout. If you've got razor burn, it's really good to help bring that down. And the great thing about this is if you've got something on that night, it works in 12 hours. So you basically pop it on and you get some sort of result within 12 hours of using it. In terms of a miracle cream, this is basically it. So that's the Effaclar Duo. The last thing I like to recommend, because a lot of the times during winter here, there will be a lot of dehydration going on. You need some sort of hydration on your lips. It's really, really important that you constantly keep your lips nice and moisturized, and often we forget to drink our normal 6 to 8 glasses a day of water. It's really important to have some sort of lip protection as well. So the Cicaplast by La Roche Posay is a really, really good cream. It's therapeutically tested, just like every other product here is. It helps moisturize the skin and on the lips especially, stops the flaking of the lips, and also helps keep it plump and maintain the moisture. So it is a really, really great product in terms of supporting our needs in terms of our lips and our hydration. It also stops any sort of burning sensations on a cold day when you're windswept. So it's really, really cooling and calming and healing on the skin. This particular range is not only specific to patients with just acne or problems or anything like that. It's gentle enough to be used on patients that suffer from those symptoms, but also good enough to create good results and long-lasting results and prevent it from happening in the future. It's a really great range. It's clinically tested and it's recommended by dermatologists all around Australia and 25,000 dermatologists worldwide. If I was to ever recommend a skincare product, these would be the products that I would recommend. Just because, one, I've tried them and they're great. Two, we find great results in them and a lot faster than other products do. So some products may require a week or so to really build up into the skincare regime, but this one doesn't. Three, it's just got the evidence behind it. So if you are interested in seeing or having a try of our Roche Posay products or coming in and seeing it for yourself, please come in into Priceline Pharmacy, West Brunswick, and we'll help you.